In the box, 6-foot nylon USB-C to Lightning cable for charging and syncing devices, dark gray. Device compatibility: iPhone 8, 8 Plus, X, XS, XR, XS Max, 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, 12 Mini, 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, iPads, and more. MFI certified. Uses improved chipset to ensure full compatibility with Apple devices. Fast charge. Charge an iPhone to 50% battery in just 30 minutes when using cable and an 18W or higher USB-C wall charger with power delivery. Durable design. Built with top-rated materials and tested to withstand up to 10,000 bend cycles. Textured grooves on connector ends for improved grip. Connect an iPhone or iPad with Lightning connector to a computer's USB-C port for charging and syncing. The MFI certified cable instantly recognizes and safely connects to Apple devices. In addition to high-speed data transfer, the cable can charge an iPhone to 50% battery in just 30 minutes, when used with a proper wall charger. Top reviews from the United States. Solid cable. This is very solid cable. Also, I like that it has slim connectors on both ends that can be used with phone, iPad covers to hook up into the port.